Your Excellency, sir, can you tell us the situation on ground?
Funke is not picking my call. Funke is not picking my call.
Chai.
She has made up her mind to finish me.
What?
I am in pain. I am in severe pain.
Funke!
I can't hold this neck anymore.
Oh my God.
Tell everybody on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Funke is with my ATM card.
Tasty.
And I'm receiving a lot from Ijebu. I am in pain. I can't hold this leg anymore. If anything should happen to me, Don Jazzy and Tunde Edno should be held responsible. They are the ones that introduced that to me. I am in pain.
Funke!
I am in severe pain. I can't hold Baba, I am in pain.
Can you fuck off?
Severe
Start
pain.
again.
This day we end today.